is my most favorite time of the year. I have my hot piping beverage. And not only that, did we get our first Temu haul. This is the first time that I've ordered from Temu, and what not better way than to get some Christmas items. Y'all, I'm so excited. So let's get unboxing this Temu and let me show you my Temu haul. My drink is just so good. I can't get over it. So the first thing I got was these like viral garland. Now they're supposed to be like kind of real like. So I found them on Temu, which I was really surprised. I can't remember where people are buying these from. This garland is 6 foot long and it is a pine garland and it says it's realistic. And I do think it looks really good. It's so weird. It's kind of like this silicone type material. It's very, very unique. I haven't felt a garland like this before, but I do think it's so pretty. Be sure to stay tuned to the end. I'm gonna show you guys how I styled with this. It's gonna be great. I actually bought 2 of these because I did read on there that a lot of people said 1 wasn't enough. So I got 2 of them. And the garlands were $10.99 each, and I ended up getting 2 of those. The next thing that I got are some really pretty ornaments. These are velvet material and they're very light. I got some in this color, this green color. I thought was so pretty. Very earthy tones is kind of what I was wanting. And this is like a little bit lighter color. So here they are right here. This was a 9-piece set, although look at the picture, it looks like you get a lot more, which is a little bit deceiving, which I don't really like because this is all I got. So that's something that I did notice on Temu is really look at the description and the title to make sure you know how much of something you are getting, because in that picture, obviously, it looks like I was gonna get a lot more and I only got 9 pieces. The quality it's not real great. It is kind of cheap. It reminds me of the Dollar Tree quality. I ended up paying $10.39 for those ornaments. We have a little black cat and I couldn't resist these little earrings. Look how cute these are. It's so hard to find black cat during the Christmas holidays. I know like for Halloween, you can find black cat stuff everywhere. These were only $1.49, which I thought was a really good deal. It has this little bell right here. And it's a little black kitty and she's got some light bulbs wrapped around her. I think these are gonna be cute. My daughter is obsessed with chickens and I saw these chicken earrings. They are little chickens. They're wearing boots and they have lights on them. I kind of feel like those lights should light up, but I thought they were very cute and these were only 99 cents. We did buy some Christmas t-shirts. Now we do live in Texas and so it doesn't get super cold during the winter, but I did want to get some new Christmas shirts. I got this reindeer print crew neck shirt. I just love the print on it. This is super soft. You're not going to feel that plasticky material that's on top. So it's like printed on the shirt. The shirt is buttery soft. I ended up getting a large in this one. I'm a medium fitted, so I usually like to go up a size just to have it a little bit more baggy. Here is the fit right here. I thought it fit pretty well. It wasn't too snug. The sides fit pretty good on. I like the flowy feel of the size in large, and I think it was actually the right size for me with the way I wanted it to fit. I paid $7.25 for this shirt. The next Christmas shirt we got was this Festive Christmas tree shirt. I ended up buying this one in an extra large. Sometimes when you order from China, what will happen is they are like smaller than us here in the US. And so their sizing can be a little off. It can be a little different. I didn't want it to be too small. So I ended up ordering this in an extra large and it definitely fit pretty big on me. As you can see here, there's a lot of room around the waist. There's some room in my sleeves, which I like. This shirt is very buttery. It doesn't have the plastic material that's on top of this shirt. So I think it's gonna wear and wash really well. I paid $8.05 for this shirt. The next shirt I got was this vibrant Merry Christmas t-shirt. I ordered it in an extra large. thinking I just wanted to size it up a few. And I will say that was probably too big on me. The Merry Christmas kind of lays too low. As you can see right here, it's right at the waist. I do prefer it to be up a little bit more, even though I'm tucking it in. And I think that is probably partly because of the size that I ordered. The material on this is definitely that plastic material, that vinyl type material that's on it. The shirt itself is super buttery soft, and I do think it's gonna be super comfortable during Christmas. I could put a little cardigan with this if it got a little cold. This t-shirt was $8.97. Like I was saying, my daughter is like obsessed with chickens a little bit, but look what I found. I found this cute Christmas chicken shirt. So we got this for her. It is a green shirt, and look at all of the little chickens right there on top. Some of them have Santa hats. One has some reindeers, and I just love it. She loved it too. I think it's gonna be so cute with her little chicken Christmas earrings. This shirt is very buttery and soft, but I do feel like it's a little bit heavier blended shirt. This shirt was $8.09, which I think is a really good deal. For my other daughter, she loves dogs, and I found this dog Christmas shirt. It has all these different little dogs on them, and they're wearing some reindeer ears. You've got the little German Shepherd, some boxers, golden retriever, a husky, just super, super cute. This shirt is definitely buttery soft, and again, it is a little bit of that heavier blended shirt. She really loves it. It fits her really well, and this shirt was only $5.80.
If you're liking this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, as it really helps my channel.
I love cozy socks during the winter, and when I saw these, I just had to get them. I got a 10-piece set of socks. We have this one right here. It has some reindeer on them, and they are red. This one is like a light pink with reindeer. This is you have a brown with reindeer. So kind of all of the same print, just in different colors. This is the navy blue one, and it has red on it as well. And of course, like this beigey natural color, I really like this one with the green and the red with it. And I just think the reindeer look so cute. This 10-piece set of socks was only $6.28. That's like a really good deal. It's a little over 50 cents per sock. There's plenty here, so I can give a couple to my daughters and for me, and we all have Christmas socks. I bought this 3-piece candlesticks. Now they are different sizes. They look so elegant on the website. These are kind of cheap and definitely plastic. It's a little bit more metal here, but up here is definitely plastic, and it does come with these little felts that you put in. I did have to put it together, but it has 3 different sizes. I think it'll be perfect for Christmas and even really to keep them up all year long. And this is what it would look like with some candles. This is just a candle I have off of Amazon. It's one of those flameless candles, they call them. It does fit pretty perfectly in that, and so there you go. So I will be styling this as well. The set of 3 candlesticks worth $6.50. I wanted to get some little Christmas trees. They have the stars on the top. They're actually battery operated. They took 2 AAA batteries, I believe. Let me show you them on. They are adorable. That's what it looks like. And it kind of feels like that material like you would use like for scrubbing, like a kitchen scrub brush, but it's like lighter, like it's not as scrubby. You get 3 different sizes. This is the 3 different sizes that you get, and there are LED little lights inside. The set of 3 of these was $8.99. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and if you'd like to see another shopping video, click on the video link right here, and we'll see you guys on the next one.